Today I'm looking at these cool electromagnetic do-it-yourself kits from Butterfly EduFields. Let's get them opened. With these kits, I'll be learning about the heat and the magnetic effects of an electric current. I love learning about engineering and science. These are a great way to get your brain working all while having lots of fun. My mom gets these for me because she knows how important it is for me to use my brain and be creative. These help with all kinds of skills: scientific skills, critical thinking, intellect, and so much more. It's made out of a high-quality material, and it comes with its own step-by-step instruction manual, which makes it easy to put together. I highly recommend these. Get yours today.